Essence. I decided to restart. To restart and relapse from the beginning. Where it all began. Sound. Sound in living frequencies which are an undeniable part of existence. A layer between the atmosphere and surface, in the ionosphere where we exist, where the thunder is just as electrical as the human brain is. 7.83 hertz is what they call the Schumann resonance. So you get that the question itself was existential. Where did I come from? Where did we come from? And why are we here? What is the purpose? And what is our essence?